Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Haitian soup, guys. Oh, that's something we Haitian, we really love it. It's something special, guys. Some people can make it every day, but most of the people, we make it one time a year, guys. We make it every January 1st, guys. That's the day we took our freedom, guys. We Haitian took our freedom, guys, since 1804, guys. We always drink this soup every first of January, guys. And I know some people might want to know how to make it, guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Please stay with me. Thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Alright, guys, that's everything we're going to need to make our soup joumou, guys. Let's go first with our beef feet, guys. Okay, we're gonna need some beef feet for sure, guys. That's one of the main ingredients. And we're gonna need some beef. I have some beef too, guys. We're gonna need some beef. And I'm gonna show you the meat first. And I have some beef neck bones, guys. We're gonna use that. This kind of frozen. I'm gonna defrost it. And we're gonna need some celery, guys. We're gonna need carrots. We're gonna need our pumpkin, guys. I have two different pumpkins, so sometimes you buy them and they're not that good. Just in case I buy extra, guys. And we're gonna need some cabbage, and we're gonna need celery. We're gonna need plantains. We're gonna need potatoes, and we're gonna need thyme, and we're gonna need spaghetti. Some people use macaroni, but I prefer spaghetti instead of macaroni. And you're gonna need this one, guys. Let me show you so you guys can see the name. That's one of the main ingredients for soup, guys, because it make it, it made it taste really good, guys. You guys gonna really need this one, guys. And we're gonna need some black pepper, guys, some salt, some Creole seasoning, and of course I have my Maggi. Let me show you guys. We're gonna need some Maggi. That's everything we're gonna need to make our soup joumou, guys. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go wash my meat, guys. If you guys want to know how to wash the meat, you guys can go to my other video where I wash the meat. I'm just gonna go wash the meat. When I'm done washing it, when I'm gonna put the spice, the Asian spice on it, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright, guys, I'm just done washing my meat. You can see the meat is really clean. Now we're gonna start our season our meat. First, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're gonna do the same thing for our Creole seasoning, guys. We're gonna put actually 2 teaspoons. Okay, and next what we're gonna do, we have our Asian APs. This one is not that much, it's almost done, guys, but I have a video on my channel, guys. If you guys want to know how to make the Asian APs, you guys feel free to go watch it. All right, next I have my lime, guys. I'm already cut it. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna add the lemon juice to it. Baby, stop. What is it? I'm sorry, guys, my kids. Okay, I'm gonna make you use my laptop. Alright, guys, and next I have my lime juice, guys. Let me show you guys. You're just gonna put a little bit because you have to make sure your meat tastes really good, guys. And I have my Maggi. I'm gonna put one now on the meat, but when I started doing the soup with everything, I'm gonna put maybe 2 more, but now we're gonna eat, we're gonna put only one on our meat. Just gonna do that. Now, I remember in Haiti, guys, for the big feet, when my mom used to do it, we used to make the beef like cook, boil for a long time. But now, I don't know, in America, the beef is like, it don't take that long to cook. That's why I put the beef feet and the beef everything together, guys, because it don't take that long to cook. But in Haiti, I think when they do it, guys, they have to make the beef feet, they have to boil it separate, guys, because it's really hard before it's cooked. But here in America, I don't know why it's so soft. They don't take like in like 30 minutes they already cook. Now let me see, my meat already seasoned. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna cover my meat and I'm gonna let it boil. I'm gonna keep checking on it. I'm gonna let it boil for a little bit. I'm just gonna cover it. I'm not gonna add the water now. I'm just gonna let it boil for like 15 minutes. When all this little water finish, I'm gonna add some more water. I'll show it to you guys. Alright guys, now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna boil our pumpkin, guys. I already wash it. Let me show it to you guys. I didn't take the skin off, guys. I'm gonna let it boil with the skin. When it's done boiling, I can take the skin off. Now what I'm gonna do, let me just place them, because I don't want to put them in the big pot. I'm gonna make the soup, guys, and I'm just gonna do it separate like that, guys. Let me show it to you. You don't need to put no salt, anything. You're just gonna let it boil for like 30 to 20 minutes, like 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, you can get a knife, you check to see if it's good. Alright guys, don't mind my nails. My nails is a mess now, guys. I'm gonna do them soon. But now what we're gonna do, guys, that's the big pot. I'm gonna make my soup, guys. I boil everything separately, guys. So when I'm done with everything, I'm gonna add everything in the big pots. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I add 8 cups of water. Now what we're gonna do, I have a little bit of my Haitian spice. It's not that much. Alright guys, I'm adding a little bit of my Haitian spice on it, guys, and I'm gonna put a little bit of butter, guys. Guys, my butter, this one is like 1.5 teaspoons, guys. You know you stop. Alright guys, we're gonna add some butter, guys, on our butter. We don't have to put oil, guys. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover the water, guys, and the butter. I'm gonna let it boil. When it boils, guys, and I'm gonna add my vegetable. I'm gonna start cleaning my vegetable, and when it's boiled, I'm gonna add my vegetable to it. Alright guys, let me just show you guys the meat. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add like 3 cups of water on my meat, because you wanna make sure your meat cook all the way, guys. Now I'm gonna let it boil, guys, and I'm gonna keep checking on it. I'm gonna keep showing you guys to make sure it cook all the way. Guys, my water is boiled. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my celery, guys, and my cabbage. I'm just gonna add it, guys, and I'm gonna let my vegetable boil, guys. Alright guys, I'm done with the pumpkin, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna peel the skin off, guys, and I'm gonna blend my pumpkin, guys. When I'm done blending, I'm gonna show it too. There's a little bit of the water still on the pot. That's the water I'm gonna use to blend my pumpkin. Alright guys, the meat has been boiled, guys, for like 1 hour, guys, and I see it's kind of good. It's almost good. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna use this water in the meat, and I'm gonna put it, remember the pot that I have put my vegetable to boil, guys. I'm just gonna add my meat on my on the pot that have the vegetable. I'm gonna show it to you guys what I'm doing. Alright guys, let me show you guys, I have put the carrot, the celery, and the cabbage. Now what I'm gonna add, guys, I'm gonna add my meat. Show it to you guys. The way I make it, guys, it's really easy. That's my way to make it. Everybody got their own way, but that's the way I usually make it, guys, and it's really come out perfect. I'm just gonna add all the meat on the vegetable, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Alright guys, next, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add my vegetable. Remember the pumpkin, guys, I blend already. I'm gonna wait when the vegetable cook all the way before I add my pumpkin on the soup, guys. Again, guys, everybody doing it their way. That's the way I make it, guys. Just stay with me, follow everything, and you guys gonna really love the result, guys. I'm telling you, guys, I'm good at making good soup. Alright guys, let me show you guys my pumpkin in the blender. Now what I'm doing, guys, I'm just gonna add my pumpkin, guys. I might have to wait a little bit because it's kind of a lot, and my pot is not that, it's big, but I didn't think I was gonna make all that, guys, to tell you guys the truth. We're gonna add our pumpkin, guys. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit, but before I do that, let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put some spaghetti, because it's time for me to put the spaghetti now. Oh god. Alright, you see, I'm not gonna put that much. Show you what I have. I'm just gonna cut it in two, and I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna put a little bit again. Some people use pasta, but I prefer use spaghetti instead of pasta. But you feel free to use any one of them if you want. Okay, that's enough spaghetti because when it's broiled, it's gonna make a lot. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, and I have my thyme. Sure, guys, that's for this. I'm gonna put it now, and I'm gonna keep adding my pumpkin puree. I'm gonna leave it like for a little bit when the water kind of go down a little bit, and I'm gonna still keep adding it. All right, guys, the soup is almost good, guys. Oh my God, those pumpkin was really good, guys. Sometimes I usually get the pumpkin, I still have to put more, guys, but this one was perfect, guys. My soup look really good. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, we're gonna start add more spice on our soup to bring the taste. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Okay, let me use this one instead, guys. Okay, let me show it to you guys. I have my Maggi pollo. This is Spanish pollo. I got it from Walmart. I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons, guys, because we're gonna make sure our soup tastes really good. And you don't have to put that much, guys. I'm just gonna keep doing that. Oh my God, guys, I can't wait to drink this soup. You know, soup, we don't drink soup all the time. We drink it every year, guys. It's something special for all Asian people. And it tastes really good, guys. Any of you guys can try it. Oh my God, let me put it a little bit down. It's too high. Let me see. Yep. Sato. I didn't want to put no spice, guys. You guys can put pepper if you guys want. I didn't want to put any spice on it because of the kids. I'm gonna put a little bit of Maggi again. Yeah, my soup is almost good, guys. It tastes really good, guys. The taste is perfect, guys. Really perfect. Just follow my way, guys. Again, that's the way I make it. There's a lot of people, they make it their way, but my way, guys, oh, it's really good. I'm just gonna let it boil for a little bit, and I'm gonna show it to you guys after. All right, guys, my soup is almost good. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of the lemon juice. I'm gonna do the other half. That should be enough. And I have my butter, guys. Let me show you guys. It's like 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna add my butter, guys, and I'm gonna leave it like that for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna put my soup on a bowl, and I'm gonna show it to you guys what the final result look like. All right, guys, I'm done. What I did, I just put the soup in a little bowl. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit. You guys can see it. My soup look really good, guys. It tastes really good also. That's the way I make it. Please follow my way, guys. And if you guys need any more explanation, please don't forget to comment under the video. Thank you so much. See you guys on my next video. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Bye.